Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block or unblock someone on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to block or unblock someone, so let's see how you can do that. So now to do this, you have to simply open your Snapchat app. Very first, I recommend you have to check for any updates or your Snapchat app. You find try to update your apps. After updating, you have to simply go ahead to your chat sections. For very first, I'm gonna block someone. Just select the person which you want to block and then tap on the profile here, and here just tap on three dots in the top right and then select manage friendship, then tap on block. So you can easily do the same thing from the chat section. Just keep a long press on the person or the chat, then select manage friendship, select block, then tap on block again. So after blocking, the person will be blocked. Now if you want to unblock someone, just tap on your profile option in the top left, then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right, scroll down, and under privacy section is the privacy controls. You might see a blocked users section. So you have to select blocked users, then select the person which you have blocked or which you want to unblock. Let's say I'm gonna select or I'm gonna unblock this one. Just tap on the cross option here. Then tap on yes, are you sure you want to unblock this person? I'm gonna select yes from here. So once you have selected yes, the person will be unblocked. So in this way, you can easily block or unblock someone on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.